Hello and good morning. So the day today is 12th of January 2023. We are going to see how this new bot, even and odd, works in the particular platform that is binary bot. Now, one of the things that you need to do when you get a bot is you need to test it on demo, and that's what I've done here. And when it comes to this particular bot, let me just download it afresh and then upload it afresh again. Also, I will have to edit some of the stakes and also the target profit, that is. So you can see right here, I have just uploaded the bot. Now, one of the things that you need to do once you upload a bot on your account, you need to align the blocks vertically. So you click on this icon that you're seeing me pointing right here so that the blocks can be aligned vertically. Okay. So once you do that, then it depends with the stake you want to use. For example, here the stake that you're using is actually 0.5. So I'll just change it to 5 or 4. No, let me change it to 5. Let me come here and change it to 5 as well. Let me change the expected profit to 100. And obviously the loss, I usually put it double the amount. Why? Because it's easy to recover when that happens. So you can see in this boat particularly that I've finished editing. This is my boat. It's the BBKE over even odd boat. Sorry, and obviously I have my own imprint in it, but I'll just collapse this block and let it run. So this is how we set it up. So once you put the bot on your account, you have to press a trade or this thing which looks like a play button, which is run the bot, and it will bring you this sign right here, and then you can start trading. Now you can do that as you also look at the market in terms of how it's behaving. Okay, that is if you want to follow that type of analysis, but it's not really important, yeah, because you can be able to know from the trades if you are executing and making wins or losses. Like you can see right here, it just stopped at 8. Here it stopped at 3. That's an odd number. Okay, so if the trade ends with an odd number like 3, and it started with an odd number, that means you've actually made money. So if you see right here, I have gone at 2 losses and I've started recovering the money, and my total profit as of now is what? Let me just move this to the side. It's around $14. So the whole target is to make what? $100 profit. Now, when you're trading with these bots, you need to understand one thing: the time you trade is important. Number two, how you protect yourself from losses is also important. I see a lot of people just trading carelessly. They get a board, they put it on their account, they don't test it, they don't understand what it takes uh, to protect themselves from losses. And once those losses occur, they start crying here that they've been scammed or their board doesn't work. It's because you have no idea how you should protect yourself from losses. Now, anytime someone buys a trading bot from me, this is what I usually do to them. I tell them, I will give you this bot and I will also give you a trading manual, which will help you in guiding you on how to protect yourself from extreme losses in the account. You see things like this, which happen like this: 1, 2, 3, 4 losses, right? 5 losses. You need to be able to protect yourself from having extreme losses. Now, one of the ways you can do that is easily by staking low and having low target profits. Okay, let me tell you something. Once you start trading, the only amount of money you're supposed to expect from a trade, if it goes well, is 5 to 10%. Once you've made 5 to 10% profit, you are so good. The problem with people, especially in this country, is you buy a trading bot and you want to hit 100% profit every single day from day one. That is nearly impossible. Why am I saying that? Because the broker, first of all, they have to make money. The broker is not your friend. They don't know your favorite color. They don't know where you go to school. They don't know what you like to eat. You understand? They're not your friends. So these are people who are in business. And if you do not understand that in business, it is always the person's interest which come first, or the business interest which come first, then you'll obviously be losing. So how do you protect yourself from these particular losses? Number one, it depends with the bot you've bought. Number two, it depends with how you trade with the bot. Do you really understand it? Number three, it also depends with the times you're trading. I can tell you for a fact, I have a very good bot here and I've tried trading with it during the daytime, and sometimes it goes at extreme losses, but at night it goes very well. I also have someone who bought the same bot that I'm showing you right now, and when they trade during the daytime, it doesn't really go well. But once they do it in the night, anytime from 11 p.m. probably to 4 a.m. or 5 a.m., sometimes even 6, 7 a.m., they actually make money. Okay. And that's one of the things that people need to understand about some of these trading bots. And then not every day is supposed to be a trading day. So once you get this bot, understand that that's what you need to do, right? So it's trading on even and odd. Now, even and odd trades are usually the simplest trades that you can actually do. And if I can show you from one of my guides here, let me just look for that particular guide. If I can show you from one of my guides, even and odd trades are very simple to use because they don't really need too much analyzing. Okay, I'm just looking for it in this email, so just bear with me. So this is it. Okay, so let me download this particular file and you see what I'm talking about. Even and odd trades are very simple to use. Now when you buy a trading board from me, of course you'll get with these files as well, which will be able to guide you on how to trade and make the most out of your trading experience. Okay, so as I was saying, even and odd trades are very simple to use, and there are more complex trading patterns out here that you can actually use that will actually give you more money compared to this even and odd trades. So let me look for that particular slide. It has to be one of these, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so these are the easy trade types. You can see here matches, differs, even, odds, over, under, high, low, only ups and only downs. These ones are the easy ones. The hard ones are rise, fall, higher, lower. Now, I can tell you for a fact, reset, call, reset, put, these are the trades which actually give me money. These other ones, of course, will make money, but you can't compare with what you'll make here. These ones are a bit technical, and you will need to analyze the market a bit for you to trade. Now, how will you analyze the market? Binary.com or DERIV, they use something called, or they trade on synthetic indices. Synthetic indices mimic what happens in the forex market. So if you can know the trend of the forex market for that particular day and apply it here on DERIV, you can actually make money depending on the type of trades you're using. Okay, and here they're saying there's only one way to make profit with binary bots and trade with complex trade types on binary bots. Of course, you can make money with these ones. I'm not saying you can't. You can actually hit very big figures with this, but you'll hit bigger figures with these particular trade types. Okay, so that's one of the things that you'll be able to know from trading. Now, as you can see right here, depending on the balance you're using, this bot you need to have at least $50 in it in terms of the trading capital, at least $50. And with $50, you don't stake a high figure, stake something like 0.5 as your trading capital or as your trading stake. That's the money you use to trade. Okay, out of your balance, you're only using 0.5. Why am I saying 0.5? Because it's easy to recover 0.5, right? If you lose 0.5, the next trade will be $1. If you lose $1, the next trade will be $2. If you lose $2, the next trade will be $4. And if you lose $4, the next trade will be $8. So this is 8 plus 4, that is 12, plus 2, that's 14, plus 1, that's 15.5. Okay, with 15.5, you can actually recover it because the next trade that will come in will actually pick a higher figure than that. It will pick a higher figure than that, and it will be able to recover all that you've lost. Now, of course, you hitting 5 losses at a go is not impossible, and also it's not really that possible if you're trading correctly. You can actually hit 3 4 losses, but the next trade that will come in will recover all that you've lost and will give you some extra profit. And as you can see right here in this trading bot, I have done equal amount of runs when it comes to wins and losses. 19 wins, 19 losses, and I've made $100 in terms of profit. Now, one thing you need to know, this is a demo account. Okay, this is a demo account. I'm not using a live account. Of course, I'm showing you with a demo account because in trading you need to first practice with it on demo. Now, for those who do not know how to trade with these platforms, or you don't understand how people make money with these trading bots, I'll give you a secret. Number one, the trading bot you use matters. Number two, the times you trade matters. If I can go back to my guide, I can show you a few of these things. The time you trade matters. Let me look for that particular slide. It's around here somewhere, if I'm not wrong. It's around here, right? So let me just keep on looking for it. So you can see right here with this bot, you can trade at 6 a.m., 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 6 p.m., 10 p.m., and 2 a.m. Now, the person who trades most with this particular bot is a client of mine, and she trades mostly at around this time, 2 a.m. Mostly at that time, that's the time she's online trading. That's the time I see her results. That's the time she sends me. Every single day, she trades with this bot. She has a balance of $50. Every single day, she makes at least $10 to $15 profit every single day. And for those who want to see those records, I can easily send them to you, and I can send you the conversations you see for yourself, how she's been able to do this. So she trades with this particular bot, and every single day, that's the kind of money she makes. And if you look at $10 to $15, that is around how much in percentage? That is around 10 to 30% profit in a day. Now, in trading, there's one rule: you use 2% of your trading capital to make 4 or 5%. Okay. Now, with her, she's actually been managed to make at least 10 to 30% profit every single day without fail. And why is she doing that? Because she's using the guide that I gave her. She's also using something called a money management guide. Apart from the trading manual, she's using a money management guide. It's the same thing I use as well. And the money management guide shows you that every day, if you make this amount of money in a span of 2 months, this is what you can actually hit. In 2 months' time, she would have made a total of $2,000 in terms of the profit. She bought the trading bot at 10,000 shillings. She invested in her account around 6,500 or $50 in today's currency, or in today's rate is around 7,000 bob, right? So she invested 7,000 bob as trading capital. And that is what she's using to trade. From the day she bought it in around December 28th, if I'm not wrong, till now. Now that's just one client, and the reason why I'm pinpointing her is because she's been the most consistent of them all compared to the people who bought this bot. Okay, so she's using those things. She's also protecting her account. One thing you need to do is clear your browser history and site data and cache before you start trading and after you finish trading. Now, all those things are explained on that particular trading manual. I'm not going to share all of them here on this particular video, because what would be the point of giving you the manual if everything is here? You understand? And the reason why I'm keeping some of these things a secret is because you, the person who's buying this trading bot, you need to know where you're getting your information from. If you just get someone selling you a trading bot and wanakupatia tu bot bila guide yoyote, it just counts as a single file, there's a very high chance you won't make money from it, because you won't know how to use it. Someone has to give you a file or a manual or a guide on how to use that particular bot. And it doesn't matter if you know how to use them or not. Now, you have to be guided, because this is a brand new item you are purchasing, and it comes with its own guidelines. So anafaa kukusaidia kuelewa how to trade with that particular bot, so that you, when you go into the market and trade, you don't go and start blowing accounts. Binary bots or binary.com or DERIV, people make a lot of money from this platform as well. People make a lot of money, but it depends with you. Are you buying it, and are you selling? Are you buying it, and are you trading correctly, or unanunua tu na unaanza kufanya vitu zako, right? So once you do that, of course, start trading, start making money. And if you do it consistently for a period of 2 months, you can actually hit some good figures, right? You can actually hit some good figures. You can get $1,500, $2,000, more than $2,000 from the particular trading bot, and you'll be able to make some good money after some time. As you can see right here, this is what? $1,433. You're not counting these other figures from these other weeks. This is on the final week of the second month. Hiyo ndio pesa utakuwa nayo. Okay, compared, and then you need to add all these other weeks and see how much money you'll have made. So with that being said, that is how you use the trading bot. Once you finish trading, of course, close all the tabs, get rid of this information, right? Get rid of the bot as well, and then withdraw your profit. Of course, you will withdraw your profit from an app called DM-Pesa. If you don't want to use the agent, you can withdraw your profit from this particular app called DM-Pesa. When you go to your Google Store or your Play Store, look for an app written called D-M-Pesa. D-M-Pesa, this is it. And you just create an account, put in your details, put in your account ID, that is for DERIV, and then obviously your M-Pesa phone number, which you've connected with DERIV as well. And then you can deposit from there and you can withdraw from there. It's pretty simple to use, as you can see right here from this particular photo, right? So you can be able to do all those things from D-M-Pesa, withdrawing and depositing. Anytime you make a profit above $10, kindly withdraw your money. As you can see right here, you can deposit, you can withdraw. Kindly withdraw your money, right? Don't let it stay there. As I said earlier on, this is a business. This company is not your friend. You know, they don't know your favorite color, they don't know what you like to eat, they don't know where you went to school. Hizo vitu wana haja kujua, wako biashara. And in online businesses, it's better to be safe than to be sorry. So get this bought at 10,000 shillings. It comes with the trading manual, it comes with the money management guide, it comes with my support in terms of assisting you to trade as time goes by. Ile siku tu utakwama, unaweza nitafuta kwa mtandao, kwa simu, and I'll be able to assist you in the best way possible. So for me, my name is here at Binary Bot Kenya. See you soon.